Today I'm going to share with you how to photograph water and oil. This is an awesome video for you guys to play and be creative. There's two different ways that I'm going to share with you today, so let's get to it. Hi, I'm Janice Sullivan from Sullivan J Photography, and this is the place where we talk about macro and landscape photography, post-processing, equipment, behind the scenes, you name it, and we will chat about it. Yes, today it's all about water and oil. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. The reason why I really wanted to share water and oil is because this is a teeny little blurb from my macro photography live chat show. The macro show is 1 hour. You've got to check it out. I have amazing photographers as guests on the show. And after this video, you'll be able to see a link down below to check out all of the shows. It's totally worth your time. So let's dive in and check out some water and oil. This is my setup for the oil and water. I love to use workhorses or sawhorses. And these are actually metal, which is really cool. And then this black part right in here, it holds the actual glass, which is really nice. When you photograph with water and oil, there's several ways that you can do it. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to start off with some water. And I'm just going to put the water in here. Glycerin is see-through, but we're going to use just regular vegetable oil. And I'm just going to drop it around gently. Try to. I like the way it gets dark to light, but I'm not liking the way it looks. So let's just play with it a little bit. Then we're going to add light. And I'm going to place it. Now you can see I'm going to have to change my exposure, and I'm going to play with it because I don't want to burn it out. But I do want to side light it. Now we're going to do the second type of water drops. The plastic is good because it has a natural diffuser if you're in a really bright area. Now we're ready to rock and roll and do what everybody does. We have water in here. Here's all the oil that we were playing with. So we'll just drop these around. Gently, plain, making sure I'm in front. We'll break them up a little bit. I got a different bowl because the other bowl had a whole bunch of writing in it. This is for lighting. It can handle heat. This blue is going to go over the light, so it has a blue color to it, and it will help it not blow out, plus give the different dimensions of color. Everything reflects water, everything bounces all over the place. The most of the reflection is coming right here. So I went ahead and just taped some black velvet to this so it wouldn't bounce yellow in here. And I had to level this. So I level this so the oil doesn't go to one side, and your lens, so everything's in focus. Okay, we're gonna add some paper. So I wanna see how this looks. I'm gonna add that in. Let's see. Maybe we could do something fun. Let's put some light in here. That's kind of interesting, but it's moving. See how it's moving? Let's see. I don't know, it might be blurry. I played a bit more with paper and gels, and these are my finals, one for my grandsons and one image for my granddaughter. Do me a favor, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and always remember that 1,000 words does make a difference. And down below, like I promised you, check it out. There's tons of great photographers that are macro, close-up, and micro photographers. And on the times that they're not here, I'm making videos and helping you be creative. I'm Janice Sullivan from Sullivan J Photography, and I do my best to help you get up close and personal with your camera. Have a great day. Cheers.